It's over, guys. Let's pack up our bags. We're out. We're gone. Bitcoin is done. We're losing our mind. It's over. This looks really bad, guys. Massive day today with the CPI. It's the #1 meme coin and it's near 2 billion now. There is the opportunity, so you guys should look into this. Good morning, guys. What is going on? It's Tim from Fango, the channel that brings you everything from the world of crypto, sports, news, and lifestyle. And it's over, guys. Let's pack up our bags. We're out. We're gone. Bitcoin is done. We're losing our mind. It's over. Hold on a minute. Let's not completely freak out about what happened yesterday. So diving into the Bitcoin price immediately, we're currently sitting at 67,512. If we look on the short-term time frame, this looks really bad, guys. We look here, we can see a pretty big dump yesterday. And this is on the back of basically some financial news that we are expecting for today. A massive day today with the CPI and also the monetary policy from the Fed coming out in the States. And this really was a reaction to that. We did have a really nice bounce on the 4-hour, so it's going to be interesting to see where this goes. Now, as I've been saying in the previous videos, this purple box is where there is a load of liquidity, a load of money for us to be able to grab to shoot the price up to 80. Yet there is also a load of money down here between the 64 and the 62, where there is a fair value gap here and a load of liquidity that we could drag and we could essentially get from this box here. So there is the opportunity that if CPI doesn't go the way we want it to go, if the Fed come out with some real negative news, then we could see us go into this, grab this, and then push back up to 80. If it comes out positive and the markets react well, then again, we could see straight back up to 70 here. We could see a pump, and then we could go into here onto the 75, 80K mark. And I think, guys, we've just got to look at this. We've had Bitcoin halving, which means there's less Bitcoin being mined. There's only like 400 Bitcoin being mined a day. We've got institutionals buying Bitcoin from all over the place. When I mean institutions, we have big investment companies buying Bitcoin through their ETFs. And we also have companies that are now buying Bitcoin and are putting Bitcoin on their balances or on their balance sheets. It's becoming more stable, Bitcoin. Yes, there's still going to be volatility, but the price is only going to go up. You've got pension funds, you've got all of these organizations coming in, buying Bitcoin. It's only going to get stronger. And now is an opportunity to really be able to buy Bitcoin. We can also see here that Bitcoin bags are 2 billion inflow, and Ether actually also sees the highest institutional buying since March, with one trader expected the Bitcoin price to hit 10,000. So if we actually look at what's going on with Ethereum as well at the moment, we know that we've got the ETFs. We know that we've had a drop down. We had such a massive rise here. We could even see a drop down to like the early 3000s, which could be basically filling this entire fair value gap. They had a drop down to 3,300. They're back up at about 3,500 today. So this could break down again and could fill this. This was on the announcement of the ETFs. But again, institutions are going to come in and institutions are going to buy Ethereum 100%. These ETFs are happening probably by the end of this month, early June. We're going to start seeing that inflow coming in. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're going to rise. We are not in a bad market, and we just need to really zoom out again. If we go back to the Bitcoin price, if in doubt, zoom out, guys. And look, we are still in a very good uptrend. This is on the 4-hour, but if we go to the, let's say to the 1 week, look at the 1 week, we are hovering up around all-time highs. So really nothing to be scared about around that. Now, as you know, we are also a channel that likes to focus on sports, and I want to see something or say something here about Mario Nawfal, which I'm sure many of you guys know. And then it's like soccer tokens pump. Firstly, it's football, mate. It's not soccer. Soccer tokens pump as Euro 2024 approaches. Tokens linked to participating national teams have increased in value ahead of the Euro 2024 European Football Championship, which takes place in Germany. Plus, you've got the Copa America in North and South America that starts next week. Trading volume of fan tokens has picked up in recent months, and their total market value is now over 400 million. This was from Jag Kuna from Bitfinex. There's been a major uptick in trading volume, but we expect it to be short-lived. This is the problem with these fan tokens. This is a problem with sports projects as a whole. So let's look at the sports industry. The sports market cap is worth 2.6 billion. As I've said multiple times, that is controlled by Flow and Chiliz, primarily Chiliz because they are the ones that own all of the fan tokens. Let's look at some of the fan tokens. All of the clubs are down. They're all down massively. No surprise, the market is down anyway. But then let's start looking. Obviously, you got the Copa America, Argentina. This is down 30%. Let's look at any other Brazilian one. This is down 20%. What you see here is you see these pumps in the build up to a big tournament or a major final or whatever it may be. And then when it actually happens, then the price drops. And when you actually look at the trading volume of any of these fan tokens, it is so small. Like really, it is so small. Even Flow and Chiliz, which are $1 billion market cap, and you have meme coins that are doing better and bigger volume than that as well. The sports sector still has such a big way to go. And like, I understand what he says. The tournament is coming. We're seeing a big inflow of like 400 million, but there's still just not been a sports project that has garnered this attention of sports fan. This is obviously something that we at Fango are trying to create. We are creating that ultimate sports app that is a sports product for you sports fans, something for you guys to see your live scores, see your news, see your content, but then also be rewarded for using the app. We are bridging the gap between the crypto world and the sports world. This is what I am on a mission to do. I'm on a mission to let people understand why crypto can be good, why crypto can be bad as well. But in the same way the financial world can be bad, crypto world can be bad as well. It's always good to bring to light crypto projects or what's happening around the sports space. Guys, if you could do one thing for me though, if you could like this video, if you could subscribe to this video, it really helped me out. It really helped the channel out as well. In other sports news as well, we've seen FIFA Collect has joined partnership, or Romanian Football Federation has joined with FIFA Collect NFT platform. When are we going to stop with the word NFTs? Sports fans do not like NFTs. How many times do I need to say this? Stop calling it NFTs. Call it what it is. Digital collectibles, digital membership, digital rewards, call it whatever you want to call it. Just do not call it NFTs, because sports fans do not like this. So Romanian Football Federation has partnered with Modex, that is basically the platform that runs FIFA Collect. You may also remember FIFA Collect did have a partnership with Algorand. They are working on this, and essentially they're going to be creating digital collectibles, which is what they call it down here, digital football collectibles utilizing blockchain technology, blah, 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 blah. And it will give them exclusive products and benefits for the national team on the FIFA Collect Plus. Look, it makes sense. I understand. Look, the Romanian national team is part of FIFA, as all national teams are. They can already utilize the platform that Modex have created, and it's an easier way for them just to sell and have the hassle away from that. So understand that. It'll be interesting to see how the uptake is, but I don't think you should be calling it NFTs. I think we're so far beyond that now. In other news, I just want to mention Coinbase, and something that Coinbase are doing that I think is really interesting, that is being spoken about, but I don't think people quite understand how big this is going to be. So Coinbase are trying to drive and make crypto as easy as possible. One-click buttons, all of this. And then a while ago, Coinbase launched their Coinbase wallet, and it's super, super easy to be able to download. You can go into the App Store, you download it. You don't need difficult names, difficult passwords. You just create Face ID, you just create your own username, and then you can send and you can buy crypto all through this. No big, long numbers, all of this. It's really, really simple, guys. And I'm going to probably do a video on how you can look to create your own wallets, how you can make it really easy, how you can buy meme coins, all of this, which I'll do in a later video. But they're also creating something called on-chain summer. So Base is the blockchain of Coinbase, and this is what projects build on. It's like building a website on top of the internet in the most simplest forms. And they're inviting builders, creators, and brands and artists to co-create on-chain summer, and they're offering over 2 million in prizes this grant and gas credit. So the amount of projects that are going to be coming onto Base is going to be huge. That's going to drive new users. This is going to drive people to buy projects on Base. There are going to be more and more and more amazing projects on Base. One of the biggest projects at the moment, which I think is a meme coin, which is called Brett on Base, is the #1 meme coin. They've just flipped a whole load. They flipped Bonk actually yesterday, coming up to a $2 billion market cap. For sure, guys, look, this is going to go to Coinbase. This is going to go to Binance. This is going to be listed. It's the #1 meme coin and it's near 2 billion now. And it is flying and flying and flying. So you guys should look into this. Going back to on-chain summer, what Coinbase is trying to do with their wallet, what they're trying to create, they are creating this movement where they are making it easier and easier and easier for people to get involved in crypto. And it's great to see, but you just do not understand the amount of money that's going to be flowing into crypto. So yeah, it's great to see. Keep an eye on what's going on in Base, because this is an opportunity for you guys to get involved in amazing projects. And then, as I mentioned, just to finalize this video, there is a big day today for the US economy. So investors are going to look for the May Consumer Price Index report. And then just hours before that, the Fed is about to announce its monetary policy update. So the CPI report and the Fed policy meeting have fallen on the same day, just 7 times since 2014, according to the Bank of America. Despite the rare event, it's unlikely the stock market will swing wildly because of the economic two-tier twofer, some investors say. I also think we saw the drop yesterday with regards to Bitcoin about what is going to happen. So if this comes out positive, I think we're going to see a big increase, and then on to 70, 72, 70, 80. Anyway, guys, that is it from me. I'm going to be coming back tomorrow with some more videos, some amazing content. Please like the video, please subscribe to the video, and have a beautiful day. I'll see you all tomorrow.